Hey, I'm Katie and I'm your STM president. This Valentine's Day, I set out to find out what makes you guys tick. How do you guys view love? What makes you happiest? What makes you smile? What makes you get out of bed in the morning? Let's see what you guys said.
Who are you?
Jacob Guzman.
Alejandro Ortiz.
Joshua Espinosa.
I'm Samaya Valencia.
I'm Daniel Duque.
I'm Tatiana Gasita.
Juliana Andino.
Nicholas Garcia.
I'm Isabella Valoria.
Jarielis Gomez.
My name is Luke.
Hi, my name is Kira.
I'm Augusto Figueroa.
I'm Amanda Thomas.
Haisha de la Cruz.
I'm Ojaswini Tripathi.
Victoria, I'm a 12th grader.
My name is Sam Davis and I'm a 12th grader.
Feeling of joy and happiness.
You really enjoy spending time with someone.
Purest feeling of happiness that someone could experience.
My friends make me smile.
Yes,
Luke
oh my gosh.
You
make me smile.
Talking to my friends.
I love my mom a lot. Hey mom, just calling to say I love you, alright?
Aww, I love that you called to tell me that.
My cat's name is Clover.
Most of my life, I've had a phobia of dogs. That was really bad.
First rabbit I had, her name is Carrots and she's a lionhead rabbit. I've had her since I was in 5th grade.
One day, my mom surprised me with my dog, who I love so much, who has helped me get through it.
I like it when she tries climbing my ladder in my room like my other cats, but then she ends up failing sometimes because of her 3 legs.
I saw my sister for the first time. I think that was the first and one of the few only times that I experienced true love.
When a bunch of my friends came over, started singing a song that they had come up with for me.
She is someone I care about extremely deeply.
When the Nintendo Switch 2 was coming out, we stood outside of Best Buy at midnight. We did the midnight launch. We got there from 9:30. We didn't go home until 1:30.
And one day we were just sitting in the back of F building.
It was on his birthday that he asked me out.
One day we just...
Aww. I'm most happiest when I'm with my family. They're like everything to me.
Well, I went to Epic, the universe, with my parents. It was like a dream come true.
Just like the way she interacted with everyone was really nice, and that was a big part of playing how I liked it.
Your boyfriend.
She's not afraid of being herself. She likes being herself. She doesn't want to be a fake person.
And you love him?
Yes.
Aw.
The repose make me laugh a lot, I say. And then his laugh, because it changes everything. So I take the new laugh. And this after a while, because we lost contact during quarantine because we were kids. And I see this beanstalk of a Jack Skellington with gothic eyeshadow across the way. I think we were in the cafeteria getting pizza. Okay, this is embarrassing, but I remember that day I went home and I texted one of my long distance friends. I was like, I think I just re-met the love of my life. And she goes, girl, what are you talking about?
Do you think the world needs more kindness and happiness?
Definitely. In today's day and age, there's a lot of hate and stuff going around. It's kind of bad out there.
We are all so similar, but we tend to focus on what makes us different. Notice how no one said they love to bring others down? But when we all come together as a community, we can truly overcome any amount of hate and suffering. Love is stronger than anything. It can transcend barriers and break through the wall of hate surrounding the world.
Love yourself.
Keep being who you are.
Put yourself out there as much as you can. Talk to new people. Don't be afraid to be yourself.
I love our community. We can all be a family. Because the only thing stronger than hate is love. Somerset Academy.